Hey guys, so I made a previous video where I showed you that I solved the Rubik's Cube, and I said that I was going to show the scramble. Now, unfortunately, I didn't have enough space to save that video, so I'm just gonna. It's a normal scramble. So let's go, quick. And if the video stops randomly, don't worry. I'll try and make a new one because it's probably that I've run out of space again. And just to note that I am actually making a new channel soon, very very soon. So you can watch my videos on that. Hopefully, if you would like, I'm going to be doing gaming videos. So it'll really fulfill some of the entertainment that you guys have been wanting, because I know my content on this channel isn't really much. So Alright, so if you're really good, you can probably see the algorithm that I'm doing right now. Let's see. There we go, there we go, there we go. Alright, now I just need to do that. Sorry about the thing. It's just my little brother going upstairs. He's doing something with his YouTube channel currently, so that's why. So never mind the noise. Sorry, it's in the background. It's actually disturbing for me. It's not a problem to you guys, obviously. So. Oh, okay, that one solved, alright. Just like that, okay, sorry. Okay, so this is blue and red, so that's there, alright. And then that corner should be solved, yes. Alright, now we need to find, okay, there it is. So it's blue and it's blue and orange, so right here, up, this way, down, that way, up, this way, down, that way. Alright, now it should be solved. Yes. Oh, one corner more. Did I mess up? Hey, if there's other comments, tell me if you saw me mess up there, because I'm pretty sure I had all the corners done apart from that one. Yeah. So this is the one I was trying to solve a moment ago. Red and blue. Yes, okay. Sorry. And oh, so this one, it wasn't solved. That's why I went back. Okay, so up, right, down, this way, up, right, down. Again, comment if I messed up. The professional cubes out there. So it went down. So this way, yeah. So the move I'm trying to do currently is the R apostrophe U apostrophe. It's an algorithm I learned. Oh, by the way, go check out J Perm. Excellent videos from that guy. And his tutorial was really slick. So yeah, let's go check them out. Alright, so I messed up again, so I'm gonna have to do that again. 5 minutes. Okay. I might have to make a part 2 of and I'll show you the scramble at the end if I decide to make a new part, just to prove that the cube's the same and I haven't done anything to it. There we go, that corner, and then alright, that's in place. And then solved. Alright, so that's the white layer done, and the T, and the next video will be the second layer. Alright, peace.